Shadows start to roar, and the sparks along the rail run like a fire through the floor. There are papers on the fences, there are warnings in the cold, and the breath of rising people starts to crash against the wall.
Oh, the air begins to shiver like a heartbeat set on fire, and the quiet turns to cinders
as the pressure climbs higher. Ooh, the voices beyond the engine wall. Oh, those voices, the voices beyond the engine wall. You can drown it, try to crown it with a rule that twists and falls, but those voices, those burning voices still call. Hear the footsteps on the iron as the midnight grids ignite, and the chalk across the pavement paints the truth in black and white. There are eyes behind the windows, there are hands against the stall, and the rise of every worker keeps on shaking down the wall.
Somebody break the bondage, let the whole thing come alive. Somebody shake the structures, let the crowd begin to rise.
Somebody lift the spirit.
We are burning through the lies.
So the voices beyond the engine wall. No, 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 the voices beyond the engine wall. You can hush it, try to crush it, till the living sound is small.